Hello YouTube world, I'm back with another hair product video. This time we're going to be using Glaze in the color Chocolate Gleam. You see, for like a year or so I was bleaching my hair and then I damaged it, so I dyed it back brown. But now, towards the bottom, you can see the blonde is starting to come through again. From like here up, that's my natural hair. On the bottom, it needs to be re-dyed, but I don't really want to re-dye my hair because I don't want to keep damaging it. So I was thinking maybe one of these color depositing shampoos or conditioners could help. I went on Amazon and I looked up a couple. This one seemed to have a lot of good reviews. It's a super color conditioning gloss. Vibrant color, mirror glaze shine, extraordinary softness. No damage, no mix, no mess. Semi-permanent, lasts up to 10 washes. I thought that'd probably be perfect for me. We'll see if it can make my entire head look the same color. All you have to do, the directions say, apply with gloves on dry or damp hair, develop for 10 minutes and rinse. That's all. I'm going to wash my hair first because it's dirty, and then I'm going to put this on, damp hair, and leave it on for 10 minutes, and then we'll see if it works. It all out of my hair. Now I just have to wait for it to dry. It does look darker, I'll give it that. Definitely looks darker towards the ends and even up top. My scalp stained a little, looks like it. It's okay. It mostly came off my hands. My nails are a little stained, but that'll come off, every time I wash my hands. No big deal. It did say wear gloves, but I don't have gloves. It's fine. So we'll wait for my hair to dry, and I'll see you in 2.5 seconds. I also wanted to mention, I forgot to say it 2 seconds ago, but it was easy to wash out. I did add a little bit more conditioner to it because it didn't exactly feel that soft when I first washed it out. It left brown water in the tub as it came out of my hair, but it did not stain the tub. So, just thought that was important information. Okay, my hair's dry and here are the results. It's definitely a little bit darker, and that blonde that was coming through I think's been covered up pretty nice. It's nice and shiny. I think with a few more uses it'll look even better. Okay, it's been a couple days since I filmed the first part of this video. I was just gonna upload that, but I wanted to do it one more time. And I feel like the second time around, like when I first watched the other one back, I could still tell there was like a line of demarcation between my natural hair color and the bottom that was bleached. But the second time around, it all kind of looks the same shade now. And yeah, I think it looks good. So definitely with more use, it'll cover more, so you don't have to keep re-dyeing your hair, and it should, it looks pretty good if you ask me. Moral of the story, it worked. I liked it. The end. Okay, thanks for watching. Glaze Chocolate Gleam. I like it a lot. You can find it on Amazon. I'll link it below. Have you tried this yet? Have you tried any of the color depositing shampoos or conditioners? I'm going to use this probably like once a week from now on. It says it should last 10 washes, but like I said, figured if you use more, it'll stay in your hair. It'll be all one color. The blonde won't show through. Have you tried this? Will you try it? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like this video, say hi.